Go.
Hi, I'm Jody Mello. I'm a student at Sacramento State studying environmental studies, and I want to talk about our problem of diminishing freshwater supplies. Um, there's water everywhere, but less than 3% of that is actually freshwater, and of that 3%, most of it is locked up in polar ice caps and glaciers. Water demand has been growing rapidly, though, and it's tripled worldwide between 1950 to 1990. And water use in many areas exceeds nature's ability to recharge supplies. In fact, by 2025, the demand for water around the world is expected to exceed supply by 56%. Some of the resource depletion is actually visible from outer space. So we can see the water depletion taking place in rivers, lakes, and streams, but aquifer depletion is less visible and is even a more serious problem. China, for example, is approaching groundwater bankruptcy, they call it, and the water table has dropped more than 100 feet in the past 40 years. The United States, India, Mexico, and the Middle East are having similar issues. California's Central Valley has big problems with subsidence, causing buildings to collapse, and sinkholes. Meanwhile, more than 1 billion people have no access to clean drinking water, and nearly 3 billion people live without basic sanitation. 5 million people die each year from waterborne diseases. So water is a huge problem. In fact, studies show that more wars will be fought over water than over oil in the near future. And this is very concerning to scientists. So some things that we can do to help with this issue are growing things like this, growing gardens in greenhouses where less evaporation takes place. When my mom was watering her garden outside of the greenhouse, the area that I showed you earlier, she could not afford to water it, so it will also save you money. But one thing a lot of people don't know is showering is 2 gallons a minute. Bathing is 50 gallons a tub. Brushing your teeth or just turning the tap on in general is 1 gallon per minute. So we can really save a lot of water by just being more aware and conscious of how long we're leaving the tap on and how much water we really need to use to perform the job that we're doing. So I'm just asking everybody to be more aware of that and educate yourself on what you can do to save water. Thank you.